Hey, welcome all. This is a short video on aquarium feeder. So this is an automatic feeder, timer based, and also you can use it manually if you want to. Uh, the instructions were very poor, so I thought I'll just make a video on how to set it up quickly. So just before anything, if you just want to use it manually, you can press this hand button here. So if I press it, it will rotate and it'll dispense some of the food flakes or whatnot. You can change the aperture size in here. I've just closed it for now, but you can increase it if you want to. I would say just go by small amount to begin with, just to see how much food it dispenses, and then you can, if you want, you can increase it. So maybe we can leave it at this setting, one setting, and you can pull it together all together, and then you can load it up and whatnot. Okay, anyways, coming back to the instructions. So that's the manual setting. So when I press that, it rotates once and dispenses food. So, and then basically the timer starts when you first power it up by putting the battery. It starts at 12 a.m. But to set the timer, we can use the settings button here. So also you need to power it on, and then if you press the settings button for a few seconds, yeah, the hours goes into a blinking mode, and then that's when you can set it. You can increase it or decrease it. Currently it's set at 6:58 because that's my local time, so you can increase it or decrease it and whatnot. And there is only hours and minutes, so there is no day, month, year, no what those kind of things, just hours and minutes. So after setting the hours, you click that once, click the settings button once, or key button they call it, and you can now set the minutes if you want. All right, and at this moment, if you just want to set hours and minutes and come out, you can just click the manual button, and then it'll set the hours, minutes, and then come out. And these are 4 boxes that we can see, right? That means I think it can feed 4 times a day at max if you want. All right, and then you can individually set at what time you want the first feeding to happen, second one to happen, third and fourth. All right. The default setting for usual families with aquariums is once in the morning, once in the night, right? So there's a shortcut for that. What you can do is you can press this up button and hold it for I think 3 to 5 seconds, and I think, yeah, within 3 seconds it has set 2 profiles for you. Box 1 and box 2 is filled. That means it will feed twice a day, once in the morning 8 a.m, and then the other one is the evening 8 p.m. All right. And then if you further want to customize the timing, you can go ahead and do it. So to do that, you just still use the same settings button. It'll first go into the hours. I'll keep holding it for a few seconds, so it goes to hours. Press it once, it goes to minutes, and press another time, it goes to the first square feeding time. It shows as 8 in the morning. And then if you wanted to change it to 9 or 10, you can change it plus and minus by using these buttons. And then if you're happy with that, you can go to minutes. And now the important thing is, if you press again, we can see the box still blinks, and then it asks you about this 3, 2, 1. So like there is a setting within the feeding. You can set some intervals, like say for example, if you set it to feed twice within the same feeding session, so I think the the box will, I mean the cylinder will rotate twice, I guess. I need to check it. I'm guessing it, I'm not too sure, because I need to wait and see until, like, middle of the night and so like late in the evening to find out what does it mean. But my guess is it's saying whether you just want to feed once. I mean, you want the cylinder to rotate once or more than once during the feeding time. And once you're happy with it, you click it, and it goes to the second square. It shows that the feeding time is at 8 p.m. in the night, and yeah, hours, minutes, and then how much feeding you want, one time, two time, or three time. I mean, one circle, two circle, or three circles. And that's pretty much. When you're all good, just press hand. Oh yeah, it just came out. It's currently 7 p.m. and that's what it shows. So okay, so now we have two feedings set, one at 8 a.m., one at 8 p.m. And let's say you have some feeding settings, you just want to erase it all. So for that, the shortcut is pressing this down button for a few seconds, and all the feeding settings will be gone. And then yeah, you can again press the up button for 3 seconds. The default 8 a.m. 8 p.m. feeding settings is back. Hope this video has been useful for you. Yeah, I'll try it out in the coming days and see what happens. All right, thank you. Bye bye.